First job for 7 months. Where's Nosey?
Get yourself down to Caswell Bay and I'll see you there. That's what he said.
Let's ask this scruffy surf dude if he's seen him.
It's me, Nosey. I've become a massive surfer during lockdown.
You certainly become massive, all right, mate.
All right. Now the camera puts £10 on.
How many cameras you got on you then?
At least 6. By the way, who are we working for this week?
Surfability, they're amazing. They're out there doing their stuff with the kids now. Surfability is a children in need funded surf school with a difference, based on the south coast of Wales. It's the brainchild of Ben Clifford, a man on a mission to give disabled children a chance to take to the waves. Some thought he was foolish, but the children whose lives have been so deeply enriched would say he's a visionary. But despite breaking down barriers for thousands of children, surfability has hit an obstacle it cannot overcome alone. Their ramshackle old lockup is full, and it's falling apart at the seams. To get surfability back on its feet and thousands more disabled children into the waves, the local community have come together to support a spectacular Children in Need build. It's going to be a challenge, especially as we've only recently emerged from the summer lockdown. But with a fair wind and a little determination...
Horrible! Horrible stress!
In just 9 days, we will deliver the world's first all-inclusive surf centre.
No way.
Wait. This time we're in Caswell Bay in South Wales, where we always get an amazing response from the workforce. This is our designer this week, Pudsey. No, it's not really, but he will be joining in. This is our designer this week, Gabriel Blackman. All the usual suspects are here, and it's going to be a little bit weird because, well, with social distancing, we have to be far enough away. Is this far enough away?
No, a bit further.
OK. Is this far enough away?
A little bit more.
Further!
Is this far enough away?
That's enough.
Right, this is the Children in Need DIY SOS big, well, slightly smaller than normal, big, but still socially distanced, biggish build!